HVAC technicians are specialists in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. But a more accurate job title might be human comfort specialist. Most people take their comfort in a building or house for granted until something goes wrong. Only then do they realize that they depend on HVAC technicians to keep them cool in summer and warm in winter. And rarely do they ever understand that their comfort depends on complex systems of pipes, coils, ducts, fans, compressors, and machines. HVAC technicians know this equipment well. Many combine the skills of plumbers, electricians, and refrigeration specialists to install and repair gas and oil furnaces, electronic thermostats, air conditioners, ducts, vents, and all the other components of a climate control system. To be successful in this profession, it's important to be good with your hands and to be able to follow blueprints or manufacturer's installation instructions. But in addition, technical school or apprenticeship training is becoming more and more essential as equipment becomes more computerized and complex. People will put up with a lot, but when the heating, ventilation, or air conditioning systems break down, they demand that it be fixed, and fast. This fact, combined with the need to replace older, less efficient systems to meet energy efficiency standards, helps explain why job prospects for HVAC technicians are expected to be quite good for the foreseeable future.